This is a double pendulum, one pendulum hanging off the end of another. It is the simplest chaotic machine you can build on a desk. Watch closely. I am about to release two of them side by side. They are identical, except for one tiny detail. One of them starts off by 1/100th of a degree. For about 3 seconds, they move together perfectly, and then they don't, and they never will again. A single pendulum is boring. It swings back and forth, predictably, forever. Its motion is a clean, repeating curve, but at a second arm at the joint, and the mathematics detonates. The motion stops repeating. It stops being predictable. It becomes genuinely, provably chaotic. And here's the strange part. Nothing about it is random. The equations of motion are completely known. Two coupled, nonlinear differential equations, derived straight from Newton's laws. Give me the exact starting angles and the exact starting speeds, and the entire infinite future of the pendulum is 100% determined. There is no randomness anywhere in the system. No dice, no noise, and yet you still cannot predict it. Here's why. Take two double pendulums. Make them as identical as you possibly can. Let them differ by just one part in a million, an error far smaller than you could ever measure. Release them at the same instant. That microscopic difference does not stay microscopic. It grows, and does not grow slowly. It doubles. Roughly every third of a second, the gap between the two pendulums doubles in size. Doubling, 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 until the two pendulums are doing completely different things. This doubling has a name, and it has a number. The Lyapunov exponent. It measures how fast two nearby trajectories fly apart. If that number is positive, the system is chaotic. The distance between two paths grows like e raised to lambda t, exponential growth. And exponential growth devours precision. Whatever accuracy you started with, the exponent eats it, digit by digit, in seconds. This is the butterfly effect, made mechanical. Edward Lorenz discovered it in 1963, inside a weather simulation, when a rounding error in the 4th decimal place completely changed his forecast. To truly predict a chaotic system, you would need infinitely precise initial conditions. Not very precise, infinitely precise. Measure the starting angle to 1 billion decimal places, and chaos will still chew through all billion of them within seconds. And chaos is not some rare laboratory curiosity. It is the default state of the universe. The weather, the three-body problem, which shattered Newton's dream of a clockwork solar system. Heart rhythms, insect populations, turbulent water. Even the orbit of Pluto is gently chaotic. Anywhere you find nonlinearity feeding back on itself, you find a prediction horizon, a wall in time beyond which the future simply cannot be known. The double pendulum is determinism's most honest confession. Every law of physics is obeyed. Every force is accounted for. The equations are exact, and the future is fixed. And it is still hidden from us, not by our ignorance, but by mathematics itself. Predictability, it turns out, was never a promise the universe made. It was only ever a lucky, fragile special case. If this rewired something, hit like and subscribe. Counterintuitive science every week.